Good morning, students. I myself Divakar Pandey from Kunti Nagar Modern English School, Nevada, and welcome back to your online classes. And today I am going to discuss you lesson 3 of geography, and this lesson belongs to class 6. And today's topic is motions of the earth. In this topic, today we have to discuss about different motion of the earth. It means rotation, revolution. Also, I will discuss you about orbital plane of the earth and illumination of circle. Now we come to the topic. As we have studied in our previous chapter that the earth is not in a fixed position. It has a movement. It means in our solar system the earth has movement on its axis and around the sun on its orbital plane. This movement of the earth is known as motion of the earth. In other words, we can say that the movement of the earth is called the motion of the earth. Now come to the point. When we discuss the motion of the earth, we always find the earth has two types of motion. First is called rotation and second is called revolution. Rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis, but revolution, the movement of the earth around the sun in its orbital plane or on its orbital plane is called revolution. It means revolution is the movement of the earth on its orbital plane around the sun. Now, when we differentiate between these two motions of the earth, we can say rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis, but revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun in its orbital plane. The rotation takes 24 hours, and these 24 hours always is counted as daytime and nighttime. It means the duration of a complete rotation of the earth takes 24 hours, but a revolution of the earth always takes 365 and 1 by 4 days. It means it takes a year to complete a revolution. Due to rotation, we can see the changing of day and night, but due to revolution, we always find weather changing. Now we come to its axis. As we have studied that the earth, it means our earth, moves around on its imaginary axis. It means the earth has an imaginary axis and it makes an angle of 66.5 degree on its orbit. It means on its axis with its orbits. So it is called the angle of the earth on its axis. Now we come to discuss the next point, orbital plane. The earth on its axis that makes an angle of 66.5 degree on its orbital plane. Orbital plane is that form of plane which is formed with its orbit. It is known as orbital plane of the earth. Which part of the earth by moving on its axis comes in front of the sun, it means sunlight, that part of the earth always experience day. It means this is the daytime of that part of the earth. And which part of the earth always falls behind? It means in darkness, it means far away from the sunlight. That part of the earth experiences darkness, it means night time. It means we can say the one time of the one part of the earth which always falls in front of the sunlight, this part of the earth is called the daytime for that part of the earth. And that part of the earth which always far away from the sunlight, that part of the earth is called night time. And the circle between these two half conditions of the earth, it means which divides the earth into daytimes and into night times, this circle is called illumination of circle on the earth. Have you understood? Now we come to the next point. What it would happen if the earth did not move? Yes, if the earth did not move, it means if the earth does not move on its axis, the remaining part of the earth which falls in front of the sun rays, it always will remain daytime and it will get hot regularly. And the part of that earth, it means that part of the earth which will be fall far away from the sunlight, it will be remain there night for a long time, and that part will become frigid, and then life cannot be possible on the earth. So if it changes the weather, when it changes day and night, it is necessary for the earth to move around on its axis and surround the earth in its orbital plane. Now I hope all of you have understood the chapter. In next video I will discuss about the rest part of the earth. Okay, thank you. तब तक के लिए be safe at your home and read carefully the chapter. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.